Live radar and 9-day forecast, so you'll know first. This is First Alert Weather.
Well, fall is coming. It just won't be here this weekend, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
And you know, we shouldn't be surprised by this. It seems like every September we kind of go through this where the heat drags out for a while.
It's really dragging
and then we get
out
a
now,
taste and then fall lasts like a week.
Yeah.
And then we get into winter, something like that. But we are going to get that taste of fall by mid next week. Today's high didn't set a record, but boy, we came close. 92 degrees. The record on this date was 96. That's back in 1953. Now, the morning low was 63, and the record on this date, 33. I just can't imagine 33 degrees this time of year, though, in Kansas City for a morning start at 1984 was that record. Normally, we should be at 74. Beautiful shot of the plaza. It has been somewhat nice in the early morning hours and in the evening hours because the air is still somewhat dry. We don't have that humidity level that we dealt with, especially over the summer months, but still kind of warm for this time of year. We're at 78 with the clear skies. Our wind speed's about 11 miles an hour from the south direction. And the number is still holding steady in the upper 70s near 80, like St. Joseph, Atchison, Leavenworth, Lawrence. 75, though, in Belton, Missouri. Lacine, you're at 77, and Garnett at 78. And that wind flow today was rather strong at times, gusting up at about 25 to 26 miles an hour, 10 to 15 miles an hour sustained. They've dropped off just a bit. At least we're seeing single-digit numbers now. This is about how it's going to be for the overnight hours, and then they kind of pick up again by tomorrow afternoon. Rainfall, you have to go all the way extreme northeast corner of Nebraska, on into just northern Iowa, and then Minneapolis getting some well-needed rainfall there, but look how dry it is all across the central plains and the Midwest. Not much activity at all. Now, come early tomorrow morning, right before sunrise, Kansas City, about 71 on the thermometer reading, 68 for Liberty, St. Joseph 70, Maryville 71, and Paola about 67. It'll look just like today. It'll feel just like today. The wind speeds will be the same. So tomorrow afternoon, 91 degrees, plenty of sunshine. Winds, again, 15 miles an hour, gusting around 23 to 25. And it gets a little hotter to the southwest, like Ottawa and Lawrence, 93 and 94. You go to the northeast, Trenton, you're about 90 for the afternoon. And Hiawatha up to 93, Butler 90. You kind of get the idea. Everybody 90 plus for your Saturday afternoon. Now, 9-day forecast, this is encouraging once you get through the next few days. You're looking for that break? Well, you got to get through the next probably 4 days. We start to see it break down a little bit by Monday with a high of 88. Windy conditions and 84 for a high on Tuesday, and then the cold front comes through. Wednesday, chances of rain with a high of 74, and then we just continue to drop. 70 for a high on Thursday, and next weekend, we start out Friday at 68, but look at Saturday and Sunday, highs anywhere from the low to mid 60s.